Hello and welcome back to my humble abode. Now, I'm going to do another lockdown project today. So it's sort of, what is it, day 10 in lockdown for me since the site closed, and I'm racking through some projects at home. I've got to say, keeping my hands busy. You know, idle hands are the devil's playground. So today we are going to be restoring my rather lovely, well, I think it's lovely, oak front door. Now, it looks alright from the inside, but outside's taken a little bit of a beating over the winter. So we are going to take it off, get to my favourite job of sanding it down, and then we're going to revarnish it and stain it. Thanks for watching. So I have now been sanding this door for about 5 hours. A few minutes for you, a long time for me. But it's now down to a smooth, silky 240 grit. Check it out. Looking good. Man, it is hot. Right, so I've done 2 coats of varnish. No, I didn't. I oiled it first to bring the colour back out. Then I did 2 coats of varnish. Sanded it down with 400 grit in between. And then the 3rd coat of varnish. I sanded it with 600 grit to make it nice and smooth, and it is looking awesome. Check this out. Now all that's left to do is to hang it back up again.